Welcome to this Community Box tutorial on how to include a map on your directory. This is particularly useful for directories that have location details. So we're going to use our vegetarian restaurants directory here. So let's head in and we can find the map options within the look and feel tab at the bottom of the page here. So you will, by default, the map won't be enabled, so we need to tick this box and accept the fair use policy, and it will automatically default to map on toggle. So let's have a look and see what that looks like in our preview page, and you can see here that there is the option to turn the map on. Now, if you want to always have the map visible, let's go back to the directory, back down to our options here, and map always visible. So let's go back to our preview, refresh this, and you can see the map is automatically there. There are a couple more options to change the design of your map. If you go to design, then map, you can, on these drop downs, decide if you want color or grayscale and the different types of interaction styles. It's worth noting that the two interaction modes only apply on mobile devices and control how users interact with maps while scrolling. With the two-finger interaction enabled, the map behaves like a fixed part of the page during scrolling. This means users can scroll past it smoothly without the map interrupting their movement. If they want to pan or zoom into the map, they can simply use two fingers. With one-finger interaction enabled, users can move around the map using a single finger. However, this also means that if they touch the map while scrolling down the page, the map will take over the gesture and stop the page from scrolling, allowing them to interact with the map instead. If you have any problems at all, any issues, please do reach out to the Community Box team through your beacon down here, and we will get back to you as soon as we can.